Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial covers a song called Lost in You. It was written by Rod Stewart and former lead guitar player for Duran Duran, Andy Taylor. Lost in You peaked at number 12 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1988. So we're going to perform the song first, then we're going to break down the chords and the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my BeatBuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Rod Stewart song, stick around. We're going to get started right now.
I'm so low, I just had to sit down and write. I spent all yesterday trying to figure out what I was gonna say. One letter from the heart, so hard to stop it. How's your mama, how's the weather, how's the sun and mine? Yeah, yeah. Long time since we made love. I'm stone cold, bed's hard, and the work is tough. I'm never gonna leave you again. This job ain't worth the pain. No money in the world's worth being away from you. Ooh, man, I'll sleep without you by my side. I'm in love with you, honey. It's a common, no natural fact. And I found what I'm looking for is so much more than that. I'm lost in you. I'm lost in you. I'm lost in you. I'm lost in you. Hey man, you don't know what you've done for me. I'm so happy as any man can deserve to be. I was living a life of sin. God knows what a mess I was in. So glad you found me. I ain't getting any younger. Ooh man, just hope it ain't all a dream. I'm in love with you, honey. It's a common, no natural fact. And I found what I'm looking for, so much more than that. I'm lost in you. I'm lost in you. I'm lost in you. I'm lost in you. Your laughing eyes, I miss all baby cry. I wanna lay down and kiss you all over. I'm coming home real soon. Be ready, 'cause when I do, I'm gonna make love to you like 15, man. I'm lost
All right, to get through the acoustic lounge version of Lost in You, you're going to need to know 4 chords and one slight variation to one of those chords. Let me show you. The first chord you're going to need to know is a D. Now, that variation, a D sus2. We're going to need to know a G chord. You're going to need to know an A major. And 1 bar chord, which is a B minor bar chord. That's it. Those 4.5 chords are going to get you all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and have a look at some strumming and the chord progression. Okay, we're going to break this down into 3 separate parts. We're going to show you the verse, we're going to show you the chorus, and then we're going to show you a bit of a bridge that I incorporate as well. If you play in a band, this is also a good spot for your lead guitar player to drop in his solo. Let's have a closer look, starting on the verse. The song basically starts on the D chord. As always, I'm going to put up the chord charts here for you to follow along with. Let's have a closer look. Starting on the D chord. Here we go. Hey, babe, you've been on my mind tonight. And that's how you play the verse. Let's have a closer look now at the chorus. Okay, let's have a closer look at the chorus. It basically starts on the B minor bar chord. Here we go. I'm in love with you, honey. It's a common, no natural fact. And I found what I'm looking for, so much more than that. I'm lost in you. I'm lost in you. I'm lost in you. I'm lost in you. Okay, let's take a couple seconds now and have a look at that bridge that I put into my version. Okay, the bridge, which is also a great place for your lead guitar player to drop in his lead guitar solo. It basically starts on the A major chord. Here we go. And there you have it. Lost in You, written by Rod Stewart and Andy Taylor. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.